Back in 2019, a study published in the journal Nutrients evaluated the diet and performance levels of over 5,000 men across different age groups. The findings were clear. Men who consumed certain key vitamins, minerals, and amino acids consistently had better hormonal health, stronger stamina, improved erection quality, and higher physical performance. What does this tell us? It means your energy, focus, drive, and ability to perform aren't just about genetics or motivation. They're directly tied to what you feed your body. Your body is a system, a biological machine, and the fuel you give it, the nutrients it runs on, either supports that system or shuts it down. In this video, we're diving deep into science-backed nutrients that help men operate at their peak. Whether your goal is stronger performance in the bedroom, improved workouts, mental clarity, or all-day stamina, these are the compounds that actually make a difference. Let's begin with the foundation, zinc. Zinc is one of the most studied minerals for male health. It's essential for testosterone production, sperm quality, and immune support. But here's what most men don't realize. Your body doesn't store zinc. You need a steady supply daily, or your testosterone can plummet, even in your 20s and 30s. Multiple clinical studies have shown that men with zinc deficiencies had significantly lower T levels. One study even showed that supplementing with zinc for just 6 weeks in deficient men nearly doubled their testosterone levels. Foods rich in zinc include oysters, red meat, pumpkin seeds, and cashews. Or you can supplement, but stick to the proper dose, around 15 to 30 milligrams daily. Next up, magnesium. This mineral is responsible for over 300 biochemical reactions in the body, including muscle recovery, nerve function, and yes, testosterone regulation. Magnesium reduces sex hormone-binding globulin, SHBG, which means more free testosterone is available in your system. It also improves sleep, lowers stress hormones like cortisol, and enhances blood flow, all critical for peak male performance. Spinach, almonds, and dark chocolate are great food sources. Now let's talk vitamin D3, often called the sunshine vitamin. This one is huge. Vitamin D is actually a hormone precursor. Your body uses it to regulate testosterone, mood, and immune response. Research shows that men with optimal vitamin D levels have consistently higher testosterone, better fertility, and fewer issues with fatigue or low drive. Here's the issue. Nearly 70% of men are deficient, especially if they work indoors. One study published in Hormone and Metabolic Research found that men supplementing with vitamin D3 for a year saw a 30% increase in testosterone compared to the control group. You can get D3 from sunlight, fatty fish, or supplements. Aim for 2,000 to 5,000 IU daily, especially if you live in a place with limited sun. Moving on to omega-3 fatty acids, found in fish oil, flax seeds, and walnuts. These healthy fats reduce inflammation, improve heart health, and enhance blood flow. Why does that matter? Because better circulation leads to better erections, improved energy, and sharper brain function. Omega-3s also play a role in regulating dopamine, a neurotransmitter responsible for motivation, focus, and desire. In fact, one study published in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism found that men with higher omega-3 intake had better testicular function, higher sperm count, and better hormonal profiles. Don't overlook your fatty acids. They're essential to staying sharp, strong, and resilient. Now here's something many guys overlook: L-arginine and citrulline, two amino acids that increase nitric oxide in the body. Nitric oxide is the compound that relaxes blood vessels and allows more blood to flow through the body. This means stronger pumps in the gym and stronger performance elsewhere too. L-arginine helps with vasodilation, the widening of blood vessels. which is key to achieving and maintaining an erection. Citrulline is even more effective as it converts into arginine in the kidneys, giving you sustained nitric oxide production. This is exactly why tools like Bathmate pair so well with these nutrients. Bathmate works through water-based pressure, which draws more blood into the target area. When you're supporting nitric oxide production internally through nutrients like arginine and citrulline, and then using Bathmate to safely train the tissue externally, you're hitting both sides of the equation. The result is not only stronger blood flow, but better vascular conditioning, elasticity, and over time, size enhancement. It's like lifting weights with optimized protein intake. The tool and the nutrient work in synergy. Now, let's not forget B vitamins, especially B6, B12, and folate. These are critical for energy metabolism, hormone production, and nervous system health. B6 regulates estrogen. B12 supports red blood cell production, which carries oxygen. Low B vitamin intake has been linked to fatigue and decreased sexual satisfaction. You'll find them in eggs, leafy greens, and beef. Another underrated compound, CoQ10. Coenzyme Q10 is a naturally occurring antioxidant that fuels energy production inside your cells. It's especially important for the heart and reproductive system. Studies have shown that CoQ10 improves sperm motility, cardiovascular endurance, and blood vessel function. It's available as a supplement, but also found in organ meats and oily fish. And finally, ashwagandha. This isn't a vitamin or mineral, but a powerful adaptogenic herb used in Ayurvedic medicine. A 2015 study in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition showed that men taking ashwagandha daily had higher testosterone, better strength gains, and improved body composition compared to those who didn't, making it a valuable tool in your nutrient arsenal. So, what does this all mean? It means if you're eating well, training smart, and still not feeling your best, the missing link might be your nutrient intake. But you don't need to take everything at once. Start with the big five: zinc, magnesium, vitamin D3, omega-3s, and citrulline. Then support with smart additions like B-complex, CoQ10, and ashwagandha. And most importantly, combine your internal work with external training. Use tools like Bathmate to improve blood flow, support expansion, and enhance your results over time. Peak performance isn't reserved for athletes or actors. It's available to any man willing to take care of his body from the inside out. Fuel it, train it, challenge it, and watch your energy, strength, and confidence transform.